Oh, no.
So now, let's talk about the limit. Where did we end that day with the limit? Where did we end? Hello? Antamela? Guys, where did we end with the limit?
Limit.
Now, please be serious and check on the book.
Reshko, ropana the basic the limits. Ro pesa plani reshko phi lim x approaches A into C apicindi constant.
We just did the basics only.
Yes.
Okay. So now, when we're talking about the limit, let's say as an example, they say evaluate. Or you want us to start from the beginning? Hello? You want us to start from the beginning? Guys, please respond.
No.
Okay. Let's say the question says evaluate, or you are given, let's say the limit of x approaching 3. Didn't we do examples? Huh? Guys, please respond. We are more behind time here.
Is it what?
I said, didn't we do examples?
When?
No.
Okay. It means this is nothing but going to be equals to, we can do a direct substitution. Where there's a x, we put 3 because our limit is approaching 3. Then you press your calculator. What do you get as a solution? You get what?
32.
32. So in the limit, you can do a direct substitution, but sometimes you have to simplify. Let's say limit of x approaching 2 of x squared minus 4, then divided by x minus 2. So when you do a direct substitution, you're going to get undefined. Is that so? Hello?
Yes.
Then it means you have to simplify the numerator first, because you can see that indeed this is nothing but the difference between 2 squared. And divided by, are we fine? Hello?
Yes.
The limit of x approaching 2, this one and this one cancel by x with x plus 2. Then This is nothing but going to be equals to 2 plus 2. Then you get what? Get 4. Is it difficult?
No.
No.
So now, again, let's say we have got a limit of x approaching 25, or let's say approaching 5, of x to the power of 3 minus 25 divided by x minus 5. So if you do a direct substitution, you are going to get what? Hello?
Maths error.
Yeah, undefined. So you have to simplify the numerator so that you don't get an undefined solution. And don't forget to write equal sign when you are dealing with the limit. We said we copy everything without what? Without an exponent. And this is nothing but x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3. Are we good?
Yes.
No. Let me check something. Let me check something. Here we must write here is 125. Yes, now we are correct. So now, here we're going to plug x squared, and here we're going to have positive what? 25, right? I know you know how to factorize this now. And this sign and this one must be different. It means here is what? It's plus, then we multiply the 2 is 5x. Then this is nothing but equals to the limit of x approaching 5. This one and this one cancel. We're left with x squared plus 5x plus 25. Now our limit can approach what? Can approach 5. Then we're going to have 5 to the power of 2 plus 5 into 5 plus 25. Then what is your solution?
75.
75. Is it difficult? Can we proceed? Hello? Guys, you must unlock your mic and reply, because if you don't reply, I can't see any rating here when I share the screen. So you have to reply. Let's say we've got the limit of x approaches 2 of nothing but the square root of x plus 2 minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So now, if we do a direct substitution, what do you get?
Sir.
If you do a direct substitution, what do you get?
Sir, ni ngomori nyango mandali vandu anajera ngori ne chiko chabona chito.
How about now?
ari tubisa chetu. Ichebisa white zvinopedza.
Unotoatenda negai?
Ndichindirese.
Tozorana tekisi.
Nini?
Tozorana tekisi ina.
Kuzwana mini?
Tekisi. So now, if we do a direct substitution, we're going to get undefined. But if that's the case, on this kind of an equation, we're going to multiply by the conjugate. Conjugate, we get it from the one that have got a square root. This is minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Then multiply by the conjugate of the square root, which is x plus 2 divided by the square root of x plus 2 plus 2. Conjugate is just a matter of changing the sign. Now we find. Then this is nothing but the limit of x approaching 2. Those are the two brackets multiplying each other. Is x plus 2 minus 2, which is multiplied by the square root of x plus 2 plus 2. And divided by x minus 2 multiplied by square root of x plus 2 plus 2. Then on the numerator, we can see that we are multiplying something that is called a difference between two square. And when we are multiplying something that is different between two square, we just remove the brackets in this form. We're going to say the first one times the first one, and we know that if something that is inside the brackets are the same multiplying each other, the solution is just the one that is inside, and minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4, then divided by, this is x minus 2 and the square root of x plus 2 plus 2. Then when we group the like terms on the numerator, we're going to have the limit of x approaching 2 of x minus 2 divided by, this is x minus 2 multiplied by the square root of x plus 2 plus 2. Then this one, we are going to cancel. Then we're going to be left with nothing but the limit of x approaching 2 of 1 divided by the square root of x, the square root of x plus 2 plus 2. And now our limit can approach 2. This is 1 over square root of 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is nothing but 1 over 4. Are we still together?
Yes.
Do we have any question? Hi, Bulablan me. Do we have any question?
No.
Can we proceed?
Yes.
Let's say we've got a question like the limit of x approaching 9 of x minus 9 divided by square root of x minus 3. Can you try this one? Hello? Are you done?
No.
What did you write? Because when you do a direct substitution, you are going to get what? Hello?
Math error.
When you do a direct substitution, you said you're going to get what?
Math error.
Math error. So you have to factorize this because it's the difference between two square. The square root of x minus 3 and the square root of x plus 3 divided by square root of x minus 3. Then you will see that this one and this one, they're going to cancel. You're left with the limit of x approaching 9 of what we call the square root of x plus 3. Then this is nothing but the square root of 9 plus 3, which is 6. Our good.
No.
Ask.
Step 1.
Mhm.
Actually, first step we're going to do what conjugate.
This is a difference between two squares.
Why?
Hi.
We have the square in denominator.
This is a difference between two squares.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we have to factorize and the denominator and numerator cancel. It's like when we are having x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2. So this is the difference between two squares.
Ayo x
How do we factorize this as a difference between two squares? We take the first one and we put it inside the square root, and we get what? X. We take the second one, we put it inside the square root, and we get what? 2. Our factors is x and 2. And that one, we take the first one, put it inside the square root, we get square root of x. We take the second one, we put it inside the square root, we get 3. So our factors is square root of x and 3.
okay. Mm. Mm-hmm.
So we can now go to geometry.
Munyana so ongi hoyu.
So, but here are you satisfied?
Yes.
If we say find the limit of x approaching c of 3x minus 2 divided by x squared plus 1. This is nothing but going to be cost what? It's a method of substitution 3c minus 2 divided by c squared plus 1. Then you're done. Did you get it?
Yes. Yes.
Is it difficult? Now this one, do this one. I want to remunerate it in, okay, yeah, let me just do it like this because I want you guys to know what is going on. Can you do that? Are you done? Guys, are you done?
Yes.
So this is nothing but going to be what? Hello? Hmm? Are you guys serious?
Yes.
So why are you not saying the solution?
I'm giving the time to Matamera so that she can talk.
No, why don't you talk?
I got 4. I'm not sure about it, but I got 4.
From the fire. Then this is nothing but going to be what? The limit of x approaching 4. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes.
Now this one. Are you done? You guys, it seems like you're tired, you know? Okay. This is nothing but going to be equals to the limit of x approaching 4 of square root of x minus 4 square root of x plus 4 divided by 4 minus square root of x. Is that so?
Yes.
So now, this is nothing but going to be equal to the limit of x approaching 4 of square root of x minus 4 square root of x plus 4 divided by, we take the common factor of minus, then we're left with the square root of x minus 4. Then this is the limit of x approaching 4. This one and this one cancel. We're left with the negative into root of x plus 4. This is nothing but going to be equal to minus into square root of 4 plus 4, which is nothing but going to be equal to negative 6. Is that so?
Yes.
Yeah, for today, let's end here. Bye-bye.